Famous Finds, the channel that shows your next buy.
Camping season is one of the most enjoyable times of the year. We, at Fabulous Finds, truly like camping. If your next journey is a fun outdoor camping trip, you'll want to ensure you're well equipped. Having the right tent, generator, and other equipment for your circumstances may make a significant difference in how pleasant your trip is. To assist you in making the best decisions, we went to Amazon, which offers hundreds of smart products that will undoubtedly come in helpful. We've acquired a lot of gear over the years, and we'd want to share all of our best camping gear suggestions with you so that you may enjoy great camping vacations. So don't leave now and discover our Amazon recommendations for the best camping gear. Let's start with number 1 of our list. Wise Owl Outfitters sells some of Amazon's best-selling camping hammocks. Relaxing amid the trees with a good book in a hammock is an incredible addition to any weekend camping trip. Some people sleep in them at night, but we merely use them to get away from the ground. It feels great to put your feet up. This camping hammock includes everything you need to keep comfortable and sheltered when camping, hiking, or lazing this summer. The travel hammock weighs just 24 ounces and folds to the size of an eggplant, making it light and portable. The Wise Owl Outfitter camping hammock comes with 2 9-foot tree straps and carabiners, making installation a delight. It also has 5 distinct loops, so you may change the height as per your convenience. These hammocks are machine washable, however, we suggest removing the carabiners first to avoid damaging your washing machine. Then, using a very tiny quantity of soap, wash it by itself on a gentle cycle with cold water. Whatever the occasion, our camping hammock is a must-have piece of camping equipment for the adventurer in your life. Have a look to the description below for further information to this amazing hammock. Second of our list is the Coleman Sundome camping tent. Every camper needs a nice tent, but there are so many options that you may feel stressed. Never worry, this spacious choice gets you covered, literally, can resist 35+ mph gusts, and can be put up in less than 10 minutes. Your analysis of camping tents must have shown many forms and sizes. This one, in particular, is dome-shaped, making it not only convenient to fold and transport, but also resistant to extreme weather conditions. This tent is made of polyester and has enough capacity for 4 to 6 people. To keep your items safe, they have included mesh storage, which eliminates clutter within the tent and optimizes space use. This well-ventilated and large camping tent has an e-port that allows you to charge your phone or use any other electronic appliance while sleeping. The Coleman Sundome tent's edges and other points of interest protect you and your companions from heavy rain and keep you dry. You may have had difficulty putting up and then packing other camping tents in the past. But the Coleman Sundome, with its well-thought-out design, takes only 15 to 10 minutes to set up entirely. Number 3. DealBang LED Tent Lights. Instead of depending on a flashlight, have these handy LED lights on hand. For light, this camping equipment may be mounted inside or outside the tent. The little clip hooks secure the light so you always know where it is. The exterior of this light bulb is composed of ABS material, which gives it a robust and sturdy construction with high crash resistance. Furthermore, its small size and lightweight, 75G, make it simple to carry and handle, especially for children. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, this pure white light has 3 modes, high, low, and strong, and can illuminate a huge area or create a flashing party scene. Tap the circular push button to pick your favorite mode based on the many types of activities. It is excellent for storm protection and outdoor activities such as fishing, camping, trekking, and so forth. Because of its easy functioning and appealing form, it may also use as a novelty toy for children. DealBang, as a professional brand, is dedicated to offering high-quality items and exceptional service. This LED camping light bulb comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month worry-free warranty. I'm pretty sure you will love this 4th Amazon product for hiking. If you want to go on longer camping vacations, the LifeStraw might be a good investment. The straw is capable of filtering up to 792 gallons of water. It is handy if you're camping and don't have access to clean drinking water. It can remove up to 99.99% of bacteria and 99.9% of parasites. LifeStraw employs the same hollow tube technology as full-size water filters but is scaled down for personal use or inclusion in an emergency kit. When you're through drinking, blow out the leftover water and reinstall the end caps. This simple LifeStraw water filter is one of the lightest on the market and takes up very little room in your backpack. The hollow fiber filter membrane has a high flow rate, suck on the straw and the water filters on its route to your mouth. Blowing through the LifeStraw water filter after drinking keeps it clean and avoids blockage. And finally, the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Rocking Chair. In this low-cost rocking campfire rocker, rock back and forth to the calming crackles of the fire. Aside from rocking, this chair includes a cup holder and folds effortlessly for storage and transit. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camp Chair provides a smooth rocking motion on any outdoor surface. The Freestyle Rocker is made of lightweight and durable powder-coated steel and can hold up to 250 pounds. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camp Chair, designed with proprietary spring movement rocking technology, provides a smooth rocking action as you enjoy your favorite outdoor activity. The Freestyle Rocker has cushioned armrests, an integrated beverage holder, and a handy carry handle. With GCI Outdoor's unique Easy Y-Fold technology, folding a camp chair open and closed has never been simpler or safer. The Freestyle Rocker is made of lightweight and strong powder-coated steel, can accommodate up to 250 pounds, and has a 19.7-inch seat height. Each chair weighs 12.1 pounds and has dimensions of 24 by 25 by 34.8 inches when opened and 25 by 4.9 by 34.8 inches when folded. The GCI Freestyle Rocker Foldable Camp Chair is best for any outdoor activity, including camping, partying, fishing, and sports viewing. This incredible chair comes with a limited lifetime guarantee. So, which of these Amazon products did you like most? We've looked at everything from outdoor devices to cutting-edge camping gear. Some of us want our camping experiences to be rough and easy, whereas others of us like home comforts in addition to the great outdoors. Whatever your inclination, there's no question that these 5 pieces of camping gear will make your vacation more enjoyable, safe, and necessary. Don't go into the woods unprepared. Even a few camping supplies may make your vacation more enjoyable, safer, and memorable. If you liked this video, do not hesitate to leave a thumb up and to let me know what kind of topic we should cover in next video. See you soon on Fabulous Finds!